Welcome to all of you. We want to spend just a few minutes talking with you again about modern warehouse execution. So, with a constant soar in customer expectations and a surge in shorter delivery times out there for e-commerce retailers we're talking about, order fulfillment service level agreements just keep escalating, don't they? Well, that is why distribution centers need perfectly optimized fulfillment processes from the time that an order is received until it is loaded onto the truck and out the door. Would you agree that thriving in this kind of environment actually requires innovative approaches to order fulfillment automation and significant upgrades to warehouse execution agility? Is that a fair statement? Show of hands? I'm stating the obvious, but yes. Well, Honeywell Intelligrated provides a very modern solution for warehouse execution system software, also known as a WES. And unlike warehouse automation software, a WES delivers data-driven decision intelligence to enable some very good real-time visibility into order status, inventory, fulfillment operations, dynamic automated decision-making, which is based on order priorities, labor availability, and automation system status. And WES also provides very accurate predictions and enables proactive decisions, which of course helps to eliminate congestion and balance all of your warehouse activities that can impact order fulfillment. So let's talk a little more about how this works in detail. A WES collects and analyzes data from every connected system and process to enable some intelligent decision-making within these following fulfillment functions. We're talking about routing, order prioritization, order release, labor management, storage optimization, and pick path optimization. But that actually is not enough because a modern WES combines system data optimization techniques, machine learning algorithms, and artificial intelligence to actually empower a full spectrum of data-driven decision-making. And then it's going to deliver some very powerful insights across three fundamental categories. Descriptive diagnostic. Through data mining and aggregation of historic and real-time data, a WES is going to generate summaries and visualizations of activities, also known as business intelligence. Now, these reports, such as daily throughputs, labor performance, those support decision-making. So no machine learning or artificial intelligence is required at this particular stage. Predictive. By utilizing machine learning and artificial intelligence modeling to generate forecasts, a WES empowers DC operators with future operational insights in real time, by the way, allowing them to plan ahead for different scenarios that can happen. Prescriptive. Advanced optimization techniques coupled with machine learning and artificial intelligence algorithms deliver very dynamic decision-making capabilities. Operators will receive a menu of recommendations for review and approval. Or you know what? The WES can actually be configured to make some of these decisions autonomously as well. So let's look at an example of the prescriptive type of machine learning algorithm as it's applied to smart order release and sequencing. So take a look at this for a moment. The algorithm looks at current orders in the queue and compares potential order sequences to determine the most efficient and productive results, right? Well, that calculation evaluates lots of different factors in the fulfillment ecosystem. So we're talking about the number of orders, the time to complete tasks, picking, travel, and dwell times, location of inventory, conveyor status, and put wall availability as well. Well, by sequencing orders and then releasing them based on the best case scenario, a WES significantly reduces inefficient overprocessing to deliver some very substantial financial benefits. And of course, since algorithms are based on exponential equations, there is no limit to the number of orders that the system is going to be capable of calculating. And these calculations do grow with the number of orders. But what's more, these self-learning algorithms can actually detect existing patterns to limit the number of calculations that are needed. So, based on assumptions of a typical e-commerce operation, we've actually compared a WES with no intelligence, that would be first in, first out order processing, against a simulation model that automates intelligent order sequencing. And let me show you what we found. This is interesting. An increase in throughput by just 2% results in $832,000 in additional annual revenue, right? A 1% improvement in on-time shipments, that equals $499,000 in annual cost savings. There we go. And then utilization enhanced by just 3% translates into $295,000 in annual labor savings. Not too bad, right? So look, if you are ready for a more predictable future, you gotta check out Honeywell Intelligrated's Momentum warehouse execution system. It's just inside here, because Momentum will employ cutting-edge machine learning and AI algorithms with optimization techniques to empower DCs just like yours.